So much for your hospitality.
Are you hungry, Jermaine?
Nice. Sorry, I didn't mean to ruin your.
Whatever you're burning in the kitchen is what it is. Right. Right, Jermaine? Yeah.
Oh, he looks cute. Did more people say they got the invites today? Who?
Elaine got it?
Didn't she say she got it like the other day?
No. Aunt Jane got it?
Damn, barely? That's crazy.
Yeah.
Call Vanessa. She called me a bunch of times and I couldn't answer.
You're getting sleepy.
How? He hasn't.
You're getting very, very sleepy.
We keep playing phone tag.
You're
It's so
feeling like you're going to sleep now. Uh-oh. There goes the tail whip. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, full tail whip. Someone's getting excited. Someone knows it's almost chow time. Had a rough day at minicamp. All those OTAs were chasing down those balls. Right?
Oh, you're so cute.
You showed them though. He's the best darn running dog ever did run on that field. Tell you what. Yeah, stretching on out, champ. It's almost your time to shine. Don't worry. They ain't ready for you. They don't even know. It's all coming their way.
Yes.
When you get big and strong, they can't stop you. They can't stop you.